Experience edge monitoring solutions that deliver. Automate your monitoring needs with trigger-based wireless sensors from Atomation. Monitor vibration, tilt, impact, temperature, and more with wireless battery-operated sensors that use cellular to communicate directly to the cloud. Designed for both indoor and rugged, harsh outdoor environments, Atoms work where other sensors fail. We've created a series of short videos showcasing our full product set, the ease of installation, the use cases in the industry where we've focused to date, and details on using the dashboard and our app. Let's talk today about where Atoms should be installed to improve your operations.